Good evening, and welcome to Nothing News, the premier news agency bringing you everything you thought you didn't care about, and sometimes offering glimpses into what the mass media drones on about day after day. For instance, if you want to talk about Donald Trump or hashtag Feel the Burn Bernie Sanders, we sometimes might indulge. But we are more interested in the uncovered, the untouched news that rivets small towns, tribal villages, the close quarters of the International Space Station. Heck, we will absolutely floor you with coverage of the Virginia countryside and its effect on the ecosystem of earthworms. You may not have heard it here first, but you certainly will hear it differently here than anywhere else. So, I invite each and every one of you to grab your popcorn, your pitchforks, and settle down with the family for this week's episode of Nothing News. Mark Zuckerberg became the fourth richest person in the world the other day. The average person spends 20 minutes on the social networking site Facebook every day. And did I mention that there are 1.6 billion active users on Facebook every month? That equates to 55 million years spent on Facebook since the beginning of 2009. We're almost back to the Mesozoic era, people. That's insane. And can we talk about Peyton Manning for a second? I love the guy. I love his stats. I love his forehead. I love his pizza. I love his insurance. But really, Peyton? You put your what on this chick's face? He definitely lost some brownie points with me. And why aren't we talking about this? Why are people not talking about this? 25% of women are sexually assaulted on college campuses, and nobody cares. Nobody cares that Peyton Manning exposed himself to a female trainer in a rather ungentlemanly fashion. And he paid her off to keep her quiet. Feel free to read up on it, America. She lost her job because of his actions and then had to bring forward dozens of witnesses to prove she wasn't a sleazy slut who makes things up like all college girls do. Please. And the, oh, it happened 20 years ago argument is pathetic. Okay? He's getting a free pass because what? He's Peyton Manning? Peyton is untouchable. SpaceX had to delay one of their latest launch attempts. Wait for it. Because some idiot in a tugboat ventured within the safety zone for the launch attempt. Because of his little escapade, liquid oxygen heated up to a temperature that created a helium bubble, which triggered an alarm resulting in SpaceX having to delay the launch. Speaking of bubbles, MIT researchers have developed solar cells that are so thin and so light, they won't pop a soap bubble. Who is doing these tests? Yeah, Jim, great work. But can it sit on a soap bubble? But really, it is pretty cool. This thing only outputs 6 watts per gram, and it's small enough to sit on your shirt without you even realizing it. This could change how we manufacture and use common electronics. Imagine never running out of battery power because all you have to do is give your phone a bit of sun. That's pretty sweet. Sweden. We don't talk about them enough. So some guy created a store. It operates 24/7 unmanned. To access the store, the customer utilizes an app on their phone. Sweet deal. The only problem is, when's the last time Grandma downloaded an app? Candy Crush excluded. Stop sending those invites, everyone! So, good luck to you, Robert, in getting that age demographic to adopt this techie new store. The U.S. Bureau of Census reports that 50% of the 60 million children under the age of 13 are currently living with one biological parent and that parent's current partner. The 1990 U.S. Census stated there would be more stepfamilies than original families by the year 2000. They have not confirmed whether or not that estimate has been accurate. So, here at Nothing News, we have a potential solution to this issue. Last month, a panel of elite ethicists, how do you get on that panel? Approved 3-parent embryo testing. That's right, folks. Why have your family dissolve into painful spin-off relationships when you can plan for it from the beginning? Men, you just need to find a second woman and get her to donate to the cause. And be ready to take over in the event of an impending divorce or death. Of course, this has all been done in the name of science, blah, blah, blah. But seriously, we might as well take advantage of this to give the kids the best chance at a wholesome family experience. So, if you think your relationship will go sour, get on board with this once it becomes available in a few decades. To males only. Did I mention it's only available to males? Yes. Well, the ethicist stated, quote, The males only guideline is intended to prevent the introduction of unwanted, irreversible, genetic changes to the human species, end quote. What could possibly go wrong? Last but not least, how about Steph Curry? Not only did he break his own record for most three-pointers in a single season, and there's still 22 games to go, but he is on pace to break 400 three-pointers in a single season. Nobody has ever made more than 300 three-pointers in a season, ever. And did you see that 38-footer he made in overtime last week? This guy is insane and very fun to watch. So if you're not watching him, wait till the end of this episode and go watch him. Fortunate enough for you, that brings us to the end of this week's episode. Thank you for watching Nothing News, reporting on everything you don't care about. Good night.